how to link threads to Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here to your threads section here, your thread application, and you have to make sure that you will copy the link of your thread. So to do that is on the bottom part, you will see 5 different options there. Tap on your profile option there and it will lead you to this section, right? To your home page. Now you'll see edit profile and share profile there. What I want you to do is to tap on copy there to copy the link, and here go directly to your Instagram application. So here on your Instagram application, on the bottom part, you will see 5 different options there. Again, tap on your profile icon and tap on edit profile here. Now under edit profile, tap on add links and then add external links, and then tap on or paste the link of your threads and then tap on done on the upper right. Now here you've added the link to your bio, then let's go back here to your bio. And here you will see the link. Now if you tap on that, it will actually lead you to your link thread. So basically that is how you link threads to Instagram, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.